Hi guys, hope you're doing okay. This is Ashka from MMA Marketing. Welcome to my another review. Today I'm going to review Venkatesh Puzzle Profits. What is this puzzle profits? It is showing how you can create puzzles easily, and then you can publish those puzzles in Amazon Kindle publications and earn money. That's what in short about this puzzle profits. To get this product, what you have to do is in this YouTube description, the first link. If you click that first link, you will come to my sales page directly, which looks something like this. With this puzzle profits, I'm going to give you some free stuff that is called bonuses. All those to get all those bonuses, what you have to do is you have to scroll down in this YouTube description to come to my bonus section. Here you have this is idplr.com, and these bonuses I got for myself, and this is another bonus. Here this is another bonus. I'm here, this is my video. I'm showing how you can create your own bonuses, custom bonuses, if you are going to do promotions in future. Okay, to get those bonuses, the first bonus, that is idplr.com. I had come here. This is a free website, it's a free system. Here you have 12,590 PLR products. That means private label rights products that you can download these. You can register for free, then you can download any of these things, and you can either reproduce or do your promotions with this. So if you come to the product section, here you have free ebooks, softwares, videos, audios, graphics, and templates. You can download all these for free. And if you come to this product section, here you have again tons and tons of materials that you can download these also, but for this you have to pay a little bit subscription, but paying that is not worth, but because you are going to get tons and tons of products to do your promotion. And the other side is that is reseller rights weekly. Okay, here you can see the discover the totally free membership that gives you hundreds of dollars worth of hot selling private label rights and reseller rights products. There are 728 products inside this. You can, to get this, you have to scroll down, come here, you can register, click here to join, and then you can download all those stuff. And the other one is these bonuses. These bonuses I got for myself. Now I'm giving this for you all completely free of charge. Okay guys, I'm coming back to the sales page. Now here it says, discover the mind-blowing way to make for a fortune in passive online with no skills or experience needed. Okay, 3 simple steps, process proven to work for newbies. Okay, that is true. Okay, there are some pros and cons. I will tell everything, so stick with me in this entire review. Then you decide whether you can go and buy or not. That is, decision is yours. My work is to review and show what is the best and good and the bad about this puzzle profits. Okay guys, join a light group of winners who are publishing puzzles books on Amazon KDP, following, that is KDP means Kindle publications, following 3 simple steps that takes less than 5 minutes. That's true. Create hundreds of huge selling puzzle books in minutes. Okay, that is the question here. The books means, okay, build your fortune in passive income. Okay, that is, for that you have to work hard. You don't need any marketing or technical skills. That's true. Everything is done for you. No, simple, follow the 3 steps and watch the money pour in. Oh my god, this is another question, another doubt I have. Okay guys, go again. If you scroll down, if you click here, you can get this product. Sorry guys, excuse me. And I forgot to tell, the launch is on January 14th, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and the launch will be there for a few days. Okay, that is not clear in their pages when the launch is going to end. So during this period you can get this product if you wish. Now I will leave this entire sales page for you all to read and understand on your own. Here he says, books in less than 5 minutes, following 3 steps easy. Books I will show in the members area. Wait a minute. Okay, so stick with me. Here he says create. First, step 1 is create. You can create puzzles books in any niche or category. Then sit back and watch your sales come pouring. Oh my god, and then you think it is very easy to publish a product in get the sales then and there with Amazon. Okay, sell. Okay, the step 2 is sell. Normally the biggest problem people have selling puzzle books on Amazon, KDP is keeping up the demand. But with Puzzle Profit you can create hundreds of top selling puzzle books in minutes. Oh. Again, the third step is download your puzzle book. Just like that, your puzzle book is ready to download instantly, and while right, you are ready to start earning a huge and passive income with puzzle books. Oh, good. Now, the rest of the part I'm not going to hear. These are some example or screenshots. He's giving the puzzles what you have inside the KDP section in the Amazon. Okay, these are these are the puzzles the Venkatesh saying. With this puzzle profit puzzles you can create. Okay guys, now these are some screenshots. Most of them are screenshots and everything. I will leave for you all to decide. The ball is in your court. Again they are repeating, create your project. Simply click the create puzzle button and name your project, and you're going to go, you're good to go. That's true. Upload your words list. Okay, and download your puzzle book. Okay, fine. Okay, now I'm and I don't want to go further in this very hypey sales page. I'm taking you to the members area. If you come to members area, here this members area is not what exactly saying the training. If you come to the training tutorial, this training tutorial inside you have about app creations, application creations to your mobile phones. Okay, that is mobile app creation tutorials inside this, but not about these puzzles. Okay, here you are, if you have to click this puzzle generator, okay, then you will come to this page. Now I have named this given, I am just giving a name as a castle. Then I have given some few words, and here you can give the puzzle grids. Okay, I'm changing to 20 for example, then submit. Okay, then it will generate the puzzle within seconds. That's exactly happening what as he said. Okay, good. Now we'll wait a minute. Okay, now results puzzle. Okay, now this is the puzzles what we have created. Now here these are the words I have given, and these are the words. Here you have all these words. People have to go and find. That is the puzzle. But they have to find where are these words in this puzzle. For if you want to do it online, just if you click, it will highlight where those words are. But for the people who are reading this or buying this book, they have to find the words by themselves. That is the interesting part of this. Okay, now the next is next is how we are going to download this. Okay, save image. You have to say save image. Then where it is. Okay, now that image is saved. Now the problem is he's saying in his sales page that you can create the books. Okay, discover the mind-blowing way to fortune, passive income online with no skills or simple step to process proven. That is where is that that create hundreds of huge puzzle books in minutes. That's not happening. Here you have, this is a puzzle page. Okay, here you have to down. There's no way in this training, there's no way he has given to create the books. You can create any puzzles. Now if you want to do any changes to this, you cannot do anything here. Even if I change the grid to 30, it's not going to happen. But if then you have to go back and create your puzzles as much as you want. Okay guys, okay, and it is giving the same thing. And you can see the puzzles are down here. What you have to do is you have to download all these things by right clicking, save this image or copy image, and save this image to any of your folders. For example, I'm saving here. And where are those puzzles which I created? Oh, wait a minute, I have desktop, here, puzzle profits. Here, these are the puzzles what we created. But what you have to do is then after that you have to either wait a minute. Okay, now the puzzles are here. Now you can see it is not clear, the fonts are not clear. Okay, if I go zoom, and you can see the top part is missing here. The top part is missing here. For that you have to flip around back and forth to create a good looking puzzles. Then you have to download all these puzzles by yourself, and then you have to create your book with either Microsoft Word or Google Docs or Paint or whatever the document creating software. You have to create those puzzles by puzzle book by yourself. Then you have to create the book covers. There's no way to create the book covers also, that you have to design yourself by using Canva or something. Okay, then you have to publish in the Kindle under the Kindle publication in Amazon. For that you have to open an account, and you have to do a very hard work there to generate income by publishing books in Amazon. Amazon. Okay, now I'm going to Amazon. We'll go to .com. Amazon.com site. Okay, so if you got to go to the Amazon.com site, then we can say puzzles. Now you can see what a lot of puzzles you have here, and there are you can see these are different kind of puzzles. Okay, that kind of puzzle, I don't know what it exactly called, so it is not showing here, but you can see these are sold for good prices. Now this product is sold for more than 97 items. You can see this, but this is a very huge competition, as he claims in this sales page. With generate hundreds of huge selling, build your fortune in passive income. You don't need any marketing or technical skills. Without marketing you cannot promote anything and earn money, guys. Remember that. Okay, even if you are doing anything, even your affiliate offer or anything, if you want to make money, you have to market your product. Otherwise, how people will know? If you go to the puzzles, you can see, if you go to puzzle section here, let's see how many categories. There are hundreds of thousands of puzzles. Okay, this is I think word puzzles, right? We'll say word puzzles. Keyboard before. Okay, done. Here we go. These are the puzzles we are going to create. Okay, you can see here tons and tons of puzzles are like these puzzles are here under Amazon. So you have to compete with these people to make a huge money. Okay, this is you can see this is a good price, and this is a different kind of puzzle. Okay, so that means, as he is claiming in this sales page, nothing is there, because I showed you. And to create puzzle, again you have to come to the puzzle generator. You have to click the puzzle generator, then you have to give the word puzzle name. Then here you can select whatever the words you want. Again I'm showing, okay, my name is my castle. Okay, again I'm just naming, and you have to submit. You have to change you can add more words like that. You can, so I'll just education. Okay, you can give any number of words. Then you have to say how many puzzle grids you want. I'm changing this again for 15, just for the demo purpose. Then submit. Okay, then puzzle is created. That's first one page puzzle is created. Booms, very nicely. Okay, good. Now here you can see these are the words in here. These are the words they have to find out. And if you click, if you want to do it online, just have to click here. Then it will show where those things. But we are not going to do it online. The people have to buy this book, and they have to find out the puzzles just for fun. Okay, guys. But as this person, the Venkatesh is claiming, you cannot do anything with this puzzle, as he says. Okay, everything you have to do by yourself. You can create your puzzles with this. Okay, that's true. But after that, now okay, so after you have to save image. Okay, you have to click save image here. After coming here, then all those puzzles will come under here. Now you can see here, this you have to download. Now again you have to download, you have to right click, and you have to save image. And here again I'm saving for the sake of this demo. Again we'll see how it is going to look. Okay, I'm clicking the saved image. Again, this page is okay. So like this you have to create pages. You have to keep on create hundreds of puzzles you can create by minutes. Then you have to design your cover, then you have to design your book, then you have to publish in Kindle public section in the Amazon. Okay, guys, and again if you go to Amazon, you can see If you click here, you can see hundreds of thousands of books are there here. These are all puzzles. You have to compete all with these people. As per this Venkatesh claim that you are not going to earn any money with this. Okay guys, because I want to be honest, I want to be honest. I know some people will not like this review. Okay, so they, because especially the vendor will also not like this his review, and in future he may not give here he may not approve my affiliate links. Okay, the Venkatesh, but I have to tell the people who are watching my review video, I want to reveal the truth about this software, guys. Okay, good. So with say, that's all I have to talk about this. Okay, and if you wish, if you want practice learning puzzles, you can go and buy that. That is at your own risk, guys. Okay, again I'm telling these are my bonuses I'm giving. That is, you can visit this idpl.com and you can download any number of items. You have 12,519 items here, and if you go to the reseller weekly rights, sorry guys, resellerrightsweekly.com, the links are there in my description. You have 728 products, and these bonuses I am giving, these are some Chrome plugins. That is, TweetX will find Twitter followers to your account, and the Nova also will follow the TikTok followers for you. Okay, if you go by yourself and do, they will ban your account. But if you're using these Chrome plugins, they will do for the work for you, and it will take long time anyway, but it is good. It is good because I have used these two, and this is about the YouTube bucks. It is showing all the YouTube in and out. Okay, so those bonuses I am giving completely free of charge, guys. Okay, saying that, I have come almost to the end of my review. There's nothing much to tell about this members area and stuff. Okay, as I told you, the decision is yours. If you want to get that get this Kindle Profits Puzzle Profits, right? Yeah, Puzzle Profits. You have to click the first link and come to the YouTube sales page and grab this product if you wish. Okay, guys. Okay. Saying that, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel and click the bell icon, because I used to review how cloud-based softwares, how to make money online, and I used to do tutorials. All those will be notified. If you are interested, all those will be notified once you subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, guys. Okay, and before leaving this video, please leave your valuable thumbs up and a comment to this video. That means that will show that there's engagement to this video to the YouTube algorithm, and then YouTube algorithm will push my videos to others to watch. Okay, that will be very helpful for me. Okay, guys. Okay, and there's one more thing I have to say. There are so many ways to earn money, and if you have a YouTube channel and if you're producing good contents, and if those content get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can earn YouTube revenue. For that, you have to work around 8 months to 1 year hard work. You have to do that. But there's a course. I will leave that link also in the same description. It's a high ticket course. You have to buy that and implement, because I have already bought that course. Now I implemented when I'm getting my YouTube revenue. Okay, good. So there is a high ticket course. You can enjoy that video and you can buy and implement and get your YouTube channel monetized easily within one month. Then you can start earning your YouTube revenue as well. Okay, guys, that's all I have to talk about. Everything. Okay, I think you would have enjoyed my review. If you so, please leave your valuable thumbs up. I'll see you in my next review soon, guys.